Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sign up for Chatgpt. First, navigate to the official OpenAI website using your web browser. Once there, locate and click the prominent Sign Up button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll then be presented with options to create your account. You can choose to sign up using your email address or conveniently link your existing Google or Microsoft account. Select the method that works best for you to begin your journey. After selecting your sign-up method, if using email, you'll enter your address and create a strong, unique password. OpenAI will then send a verification link to your email inbox. Click this link to confirm your address. Following this, you'll be prompted to provide some basic personal details, including your full name and your date of birth. This information helps personalize your experience and ensures compliance with age requirements. Next, for security purposes, you'll need to provide a valid phone number. OpenAI uses this to send a verification code, ensuring you're a real person. Once you receive the text message, carefully enter the 6-digit code into the designated field on the website. Finally, before completing your registration, take a moment to review OpenAI's terms of use and privacy policy. After reading, simply click to accept them, and you're almost ready to go. Congratulations! Your Chatgpt account is now successfully created and ready for use. You can now log in and begin exploring the powerful capabilities of this AI. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the interface and the various models available. Whether you need assistance with writing, coding, brainstorming, or just curious conversation, Chatgpt is now at your fingertips. Start interacting and unlock its potential today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.